Neuschwanstein Castle is a 19th century castle built on a steep hill in southwest Bavaria. The original construction of the castle was commissioned by King Ludwig II as a retreat for the composer Richard Wagner. Neuschwanstein Castle is an easy day trip to take from Munich to fulfill anyone's fairy tale desires. We boarded the train from the Munich Central Station and made the 2-hour journey to Fussen, the last stop on the train, the city right outside the mountains of the castle. The train ride was beautiful, showing rolling hills and green countryside of Germany. A bus took us to the foothills of the mountain, where we bought our entrance tickets and some refreshments for the journey. There is a small student discount, so don't forget your ID.
It's just not the same.
Some mulled wine, it's really not, and then some Neuschwanstein beer.
Wait.
The castle
Yeah,
in the
that's in the background.
That's awesome. The hike from the small town where we bought our tickets up to the base of the castle was a 30-minute walk. Because we arrived at the top early for our tour, we opted to eat a late lunch at a nearby restaurant. It was surprisingly affordable and super delicious, rich German food, spätzle and minced pork. After that, we got some dessert. These are called pork bowls. Bowls of pork. Then it was time to tour the castle. No film or photos were allowed inside, so unfortunately I do not have any footage from that, but it was a cool interior and a quick, painless tour. After that, we made our way up another hill to take some sunset photos, and then it was time to board the train to head back to Munich.